my channel. My name is Lipstsick. If you're new here, please do subscribe, like, comment and share. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for dropping back by. And for my lovely subbies, my lovely dovey subscribers, thank you so much, guys. I really do appreciate you guys. So I'm back with another video. So it's basically just a short one. It's an everyday on budget makeup look, and during the video I'm not gonna say a lot. Like, I'm just going to do like a voiceover, and yeah, so let's get right on to the video.
My skin is so blemished, you guys. So I've done my brows off camera, so sorry guys about that. So I'm applying my foundation. So what I do is I use two different foundations because of my blemishes, especially if I'm using a foundation that doesn't cover that much, like the ones that I'm using now. So I'm using Smudge from Clicks as well as the other one from Inuka. I'll be leaving all the details down in my description box with regards to what I'm using and the prices. And the other thing, so I'm basically just applying more product to cover up the dark marks. And also blending in is very important, guys, because you don't want to have an uneven looking makeup look because of not blending. So I'm just gonna be blending and blending and blending. To go in with an eyeshadow color. So I got this in the beginning of this year. I'm not quite happy with the product because the pigment is not so good, so you just have to keep on applying it up until you get the look that you are trying to achieve. Let's just get into blending. You know what it is. I'm now going in with a bit of some contour, nothing too dramatic. So I'm going to use my Mimikyu foundation stick. So the shade is not darker as I wanted it to be. So yeah, and then I'm also going to be using a concealer to highlight. So this concealer is from Smudge. That is available at Clicks, so it's quite affordable. The price is R49.99. You guys, I need a drink, don't you? I'm going to be making me my Tony Ferguson water infusion, no sugar drops in raspberry flavor. Yeah, it's super duper good. You just add water, ice, and enjoy. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye. I love you guys.